This is an incredibly important and time-sensitive reminder for all of you business owners who paid an independent contractor $600 or more in 2024. Your deadline to issue and file Form 1099 NEC is fast approaching in just a few days. January 31st, 2025 is the deadline at which you must issue your 1099s to the independent contractor and file them with the IRS. Do not miss this deadline. If you need help knowing exactly if this applies to you and how to complete the steps quickly and easily, then click this next video, which is popping up on your screen, and I will show you exactly how you can complete this process quickly and easily.